I'm Jack, and I'm just going to demonstrate the power of a web scraper and what a web scraper is. So a web scraper, all a web scraper is it crawls websites for emails. And the easiest one, the one I recommend is ParseHub, and I'm going to show you how to use it. This ParseHub, this is the website where you're crawling right here. This is the New York Society of CPAs, the staff directory. So we go to ParseHub, say select, say this one, and this one. Boom. It says this is the information I'm going to get from this website. You say get data, and it'll pull it out in the CSV file, and you've got it. Now, web scrapers, you have to understand how good these leads are. For our purposes, for my purposes, these are probably not the best leads to get because this is the staff directory for the New York Society of CPAs, and I'm looking for a certain CPA in tax. And these guys will have the information, but you don't want to annoy them. Now, the AICPA credential directory, that's a very good website to get information from, but it's going to take some time to design a web scraper to defeat this CAPTCHA, type in the credentials you want and get it.